Hi, I'm Christy, and in honor of the 4th of July, we're going to make the all-American treat, an apple pie. And the first thing we do at CSI is we take our safety and hygienic products very seriously. So, first things first, we're gonna wear a hairnet. Lovely. We're gonna wear our hygienic gloves. I'm putting my fingers in the wrong spots, hold on. And last but not least, our safety goggles. I'm gonna use my super secret recipe from my grandma that I found on the internet like 10 minutes ago. Heat the oven to 425. Disclaimer, I've never actually used this oven before, so I'm trying to, here we go. Here's the gauge, 425, oven mode, bake. Step 1, done. And we are going to start by greasing our pie dish with the cooking spray that I don't have. Surely we have cooking spray. Oh, where's the cooking spray? Maybe butter. Butter would also work. Let's see. Butter. Oh, I see some butter. Ooh, hold on. Oh, I found it. Some butter. Now we're gonna use our butter. Make sure that our crust is not gonna stick to the pan. Place one pie crust in ungreased 9-inch glass pie plate. Well, it's probably fine if it's greased. To make your apple pie filling, you can get a whole bunch of apples and you can peel all the apples and cut all the apples and core all the apples, or you can cut all that out and just use this apple pie filling. Oh, but I need the crust before I put in the filling. I'm totally messy. This is really how I cook. This is pretty sad. Okay, so pie crust. We're going to gently lay it. Needs a little bit of help. Thanks to our friends in the processing industry. Oh, look at this. You gotta see this. Look how perfect that is. Boom, that would have taken hours. And this took like a minute. Do you know how you can process apples without them turning into pulverized applesauce when they go through all the little pumps in the machines? It is a twin screw pump that is good for handling gentle particulates. Because it's the 4th of July, and we're gonna cover this with cute little stars and stripes. I'm gonna make little stripes. You just make little stars. See? I think you just put them on there like that, maybe. I think I'm gonna layer them on top. That'll be fine, right? Does it look like a flag yet? Kind of does. You know, some people do that little, like, curly crust. I don't know for that. If this light is on, does that mean preheat? Is it still preheating? Or is it ready? Feels hot. Moment of truth. Well, not yet, that's when it comes out, but there we go. Okay. Now we just wait for 30 minutes while it cooks. We need to make our egg wash, and I know that I don't have a whisk. So, I guess a plastic fork will work. Now this is the really hard part, because you have to get just the egg whites. If someone knows of a better way to do this, drop it in the comments below. Okay. Oh, shoot. What do we think? Is that enough to, oh, it's going everywhere. There's just, can you see this little bit of yolk? Oh, I got it. Isn't that gross looking? Whoa. I think we beat the egg wash. I think we do. Or does it make it like scrambled? Okay, now we're going to put this on the crust because I totally forgot to do that earlier. Here we go. I think you just brush it on. I really don't know what this does. I don't know if it makes it taste better or it just makes it shiny. The edges are starting to get a little brown and the middle isn't quite done. Here's a cool tip that I learned on the internet. You can kind of cover the edges with foil. So we're gonna let the middle keep cooking. 4 more minutes-ish. I think maybe it's done. Let's check it out. Here we go. Oh, it smells really good. Oh, it's bubbling. That's fun. It looks good. Ta-da! This was actually a lot of fun. What recipe should we try next? Let us know. From all of us at CSI, have a happy 4th of July. Oh boy, hold on. This is gonna fall everywhere. Hold on, maybe not. This is gonna burn. It's burning me. Okay. Maybe I just pick it up with my hands. Oh boy. Okay. We have a vacuum somewhere, right? Maybe I just roll it up and go take it outside. Okay. I don't think we have. We're just gonna go dump this outside. We're gonna feed some birds.